Hey everyone, Georgetown Soaps here. I am doing another batch of my beach soap. This is the Beach by Bobbi Brown fragrance, and it smells fantastic. It is light, fresh mandarin oranges, summer florals, and a hint of ocean mist. Now, downside to this fragrance is that it behaves terribly. It races, it accelerates, it does everything that a fragrance shouldn't. But I make a total exception for this one because I sell it out of the park. It is like super good seller. So what do you do when you know that a fragrance is going to behave badly? You plan ahead. So what I'm doing is I am just making one color. I am not going to go crazy. I am not going to try and have my soap already gelling in the mixing container. I am just going to go ahead, add my single color, and I always do like this pink peach color. I'm not going to do anything fancy. It is what it is. It doesn't behave, so I'm going to make it work for me. So I am just going to add the color, get everything mixed in really well before I add the fragrance. And this works best for me. You should be able to see, here goes the fragrance. You should be able to see that I'm not sure if you can tell, it's kind of rising a little bit here, and it definitely does accelerate. So this fragrance you can't really stir in because it is going to rise and it is going to accelerate a little bit, so you do have to stick blend it out. But as you can see, I don't have to stick blend too much, and it's still behaving pretty well. But you've got about 30 seconds and then it will go into full gel. And I apologize for not moving the mold so you can see the pour a little bit better. But I mean, you can totally see the soap is like already set up as soon as it hits the mold. It is like solid. It's like totally gelling already. So what does this mean? You can still buy the fragrance. You can still love the fragrance. Your customers can still love the fragrance, but you just have to know how to work with it. So what I recommend, do what I do. Do one color, add the fragrance after you've mixed the color in, and then just live with it. It is what it is. Who cares? It is what it is. It smells fantastic. So willing to work. This is one of the few fragrances I'd be willing to work with just because it smells so good and everyone loves it. Everyone always says, where's your beach soap? Where's the beach soap? So I'm just going to get the rest of the batter out. And then because it does kind of do a funky top, I'm just going to use my spoon to texture the top a little bit. And then that way, no one knows any better, and it looks like a little wave, maybe a little bit of texture on top. So it's my beach soap. So I will bring you guys back for the cut, and nothing fancy, but it smells fantastic. All right, so I've got everything in. I kind of did my spoon swirl on the top. I really didn't even have a lot of time to do the spoon swirl. This bad boy is gelling already. So it is like in full gel. I don't even want to touch it. Into the oven it goes. And then I'll bring you guys back for the cut momentarily. For the cut, I'm not going to show you every bar. Every bar looks exactly the same. But this is just a great example of what you can do with a fragrance that you know isn't going to behave correctly. Now, the flip side, I could not do a water discount. I do a 2-to-1 water discount. I still prefer with this fragrance to do the discount. You get a lot more time if you don't do the discount. But for me, I'd rather have my soaps cure quicker and be ready sooner. So those are your options. Don't do a water discount, or do it like I did with the water discount, and you're all good. But again, smells fantastic and very simple bar of soap. Love it so much. Thanks for watching.